guys, I want you
That's
to
fine.
watch
How
this
can you
video.
carry me go? Public.
I'm
Public.
good day today, me and my daughter. And one of
Here
my
we
grandson.
go
Alright,
again.
my daughter, we want
We're
today
going to
to
Publix
shop.
now.
Why me never know
Let me
say
have
all
video.
them things you know that go through. We go public
Here
today
we
and
are.
we walk. Mighty gosh.
Two
We
of them
can't tell
can't
you
hold.
everything, so you can just watch and like,
Let me wipe it.
share and subscribe. So
Sure,
go
sure.
ahead and watch
Sanitize
the
it
video.
first.
Guys, if you like it,
You
you
dirty?
thumbs up. If you like it, you subscribe. And if you don't like it, you can still maybe comment say you don't like it or you like it. So enjoy.
You know what? You see that was... You and your sister go drive. But can see her drive. Strawberry. You buy the 2 pack of strawberry and you not even use them. Yeah? We make Mackenzie eat them at morning time. You buy the 1 bag and you don't even use them. And me have to take them and use them. They're small.
The ones that I need to use are down there.
Them one here? Them are not too little bit?
That's too little too.
Hmm?
That's too little.
No, remember, so you beat them all in the skin. So what about them one over there? So you don't buy them?
You pick out the best one then.
I don't know the best one now. The pear.
That has.
Yeah, so then tough.
They look so ugly.
Yeah.
I was gonna make chipotle
Them
bowls.
pear are not nice at all. Eh?
I'm making chipotle bowls.
Make we make them.
Yeah, still have to buy tomato.
Yeah. Can't find no calalo. Radish, green onion. We have corn here, string bean, $2. Let me you call them fluxy. The
Those are the stressed.
fluxy bag go. Coconut,
Papaya.
plantain, and sort of fruit.
That's why I got the papaya the last time.
Oh.
I
You
love
walk here, son? We love them here. What's your food in a plastic? You come and you get all them here something here people come in here and buy.
I don't buy them.
Cause you know if you cook.
No, they do salad.
Oh, bread, sandwich. Shrimp.
Shrimp or chicken?
Shrimp.
You don't
Chicken
want
there?
to eat it? That's scallop.
Where chicken there?
Down there. Shrimp or chicken?
I don't know.
I have to wait for them to thaw out.
Well, add that from the man there. Oh, wow.
Look how big that shit is.
It big? So it big. So them not fresh? Them not fresh? I'll try that fridge. You take that? And when this I got out, you have to throw water on it.
Yeah, because it's only $12. It's $12. Yeah.
So how much you say right by the time it does work, me put them now not used to me. No sir. $3 for that.
Nothing buy one, get one free over here.
See them as one of them this black bean. The guy they're nice, you know.
It says organic. I want what's the difference between the organic and the regular?
Sometimes they must say organic and they're not really organic.
I'll be the judge of that.
See her? I'm winding up in body.
Tell me I do it.
Like I saw you walk. You're funny. You're funny. Tell me to start going so now. So we come get water.
Wait. Put it on mine then.
Hmm?
You put it on mine then. That looks so good.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm
Put
making.
up on my here.
I think I might just get the canned one.
Chip.
They got too much holes for me.
What do it? Yeah, cook and eat it. So.
Ah.
Oh. Hold on.
I want to go to school to eat this.
You find it? Hold on. Should not see it. You find it?
Yeah. Oh, I'll go take one.
Go on with it.
I cannot reach it.
Need to go get the black bean.
Take me up.
Catch this one. Oh, you go. That's all. Oh, yeah, put it.
No, get one from Mackay.
But that one is mine.
Get
Get
another
one
one.
from Mackay. Sorry, I need to go get the black bean. I don't want
Well,
the,
come.
I mean, not the black bean.
So you don't want to care about this?
Just that one.
Give me.
Can I go to mommy too?
Go on and come. You want to give me a ride? Mommy soon come.
I see him right there.
I'll be honest.
Too honest, you're not going to reach farther than life.
I'm not too honest, but I'm not gonna do something like that. It's just too petty to go to jail for some $3 frozen corn.
Me not have no sitting pan it. So, watch him now, but there is a cat.
But let me wait too.
I'm not.
Me can't believe with the out here from dear. I call it from morning. And now, look at what time now. This girl have me out here and punish me. Me say me put them tired, you see?
I'm not doing nothing.
We tired, man.
Hold on then.
Where you park?
Hold my park.
Come over here. So we come from this side.
There's no if you want me. No.
See, Carol? See?
Poor flowers in there suffocated.
Eh. Them are hours here. Them are hours here with up on road from morning, you know? From morning.
Well, you have
You see me
content.
poor foot, them have burned me.
Don't you
Watch
have
out.
content now?
From morning we come out. So which way you?
We can't even stand up.
Where you go put them something there and the car coming like a speaker run on the back?
I forgot. At Mackenzie's foot. Girl, are you gonna break the
No sir. Tired enough from morning we out here now.
Barely.
And me can't bother. You're not coming out of the cart? You're not coming out? Where you the road in the night?
I missed everything.
From morning with the outer road.
On the road.
So guys, go on my page and subscribe, share and comment. Unscripted raw born Jamaican patois. You know see it. Born Jamaican. The son of the soil. Share the video, like and subscribe. See you guys. You hear them?